Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete files from OneDrive but not from your PC. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it here in the bottom, you can just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the Home section, Gallery, and then here you're going to find the OneDrive section. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the uploaded files to OneDrive. And then if you right click on OneDrive right here, you're going to find all of these options. Right here, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And then here, you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free up space, and lastly here, you're going to find OneDrive settings. So from here, you can click on View Online, go to Settings, and then here, you're going to find Folder Color. So right now, we're going to click on View Online, and then this will take you to this page on the web. So basically guys, once you're here, in the left you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, my files, photos, shared, and lastly right here, you're going to find the recycle bin. So basically guys, right now, if you want to find all of your files, go to my files and then right here, you're going to find your files and folder. And then you can delete any folder that you want. For example, I'm going to delete this file. If you want to do that, just go to the file, click on these three dots, and then go ahead and click on delete. Click again on delete to confirm, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.